Hello, welcome back. And my last video of this ESTEE Lauder unboxing and first impression haul, fragrance haul from ESTEE Lauder. I'm going to unbox and try or smell for the first time Hibiscus Palm from Aerin. This is my first Aerin perfume from ESTEE Lauder. Like all of the fragrances I try on this ESTEE Lauder whole series is all are new to me. I never own any ESTEE Lauder fragrance. all of them are new to me, and I'm very happy with all of them. All. If you haven't watched those videos, I will leave the link of those videos down in the description section so you can check them out. I'm really happy with all of my fragrances right now. There is no fragrance that I don't like. All of them I like. A few of them I love. But I want to have them all in my collection. There's no fragrance that I could say that I want to give away or return right now. I like them all. I can say I'm very easy to please, but not that much, because a lot of fragrances I don't like, but all of the ones I have right now I like. So let's open this and smell it for the first time. Let's open Hibiscus Palm. Let's see how good it is. Like, this is a very popular fragrance here on YouTube. So I wanted to try for myself and see if it's that good like they say online. Hibiscus Palm by Aerin Lauder is a floral fragrance for women. This fragrance was launched in 2017. Hibiscus palm notes are top notes: hibiscus, ylang ylang, palm leaf, lotus flower, ginger. Middle notes are frangipani, white flowers, and base notes are coconut milk, vanilla, and musk. Wanna see the box? The inside of the box. Okay, this was, I hope the fragrance is good. Oh my God, this is a beautiful bottle. I never had one of these bottles in my hand. Look at the detail of the cup. I don't know the notes of these perfumes. I don't remember. But I'm gonna leave the link for you to check it out. I'm also gonna leave the link in the description section, and probably a voiceover telling you the the notes and a little description of this perfume. Wow. As described on their website, Hibiscus Palm captured the island scents of brilliant sunshine on a lush beach. Acres of lotus flower and hibiscus palm mingle with ylang ylang and exotic ginger. Frangipani blends with the heart of fragrant white blossoms, wrapped in the velvet warmth of coconut milk, vanilla, and musk. Let's spray it. I only know this fragrance is very popular from the Aerin line from ESTEE Lauder. I hope I like it. Hope it's not that floral. smell like white musk to me, like clean musk. If you wanna smell clean, you will like this fragrance. It's floral. It has some smell a little bit like beautiful BELLE, like this one the one that I just opened. It has something similar. Maybe they have some of the same notes, floral notes. It's good, I like it. But it has that white musk or clean musk note in it. I hope I like it on my skin. The fragrance is beautiful. I like it. I don't dislike it. It's just that I have tried some other good ones. That this one, even if I like it, is not my favorite on the paper, but I haven't tried it on my skin yet. I feel some type of creaminess on it. Maybe it has coconut. It's very creamy, very yummy. It's good. I would like to test it on my skin, so I think this is gonna be my fragrance of the day, even if I want to apply Bronze Goddess. But I want to test this on my skin. I wanna know how it will dry on my skin. Hibiscus Palm is sweet. It's a floral sweet fragrance. It's also very creamy. And it smells really good on my skin. I think on my skin it smells better than on paper. I like it. This is a good fragrance. Yes, it's perfect for the summer. But on my skin, it smells better than on paper. So that's why it's always good to test fragrances on your skin, because sometimes you like them on paper, but you don't like them on skin. And sometimes you like them on your skin, but you don't like them on paper. So it's always good to try them on the skin. But since I have opened so many today, I love all of them on paper. But I wanted to try and test this on my skin. So this fragrance on my skin, it smells good. I don't know how it projects, but to my nose, it smells really good and really yummy. Creamy, white floral, like coconut creaminess, and also white flower creaminess. I don't know if you understand me, but that's how I feel it. It smells beautiful, but if you don't like floral, sweet fragrances, you probably won't like this. I don't think I will keep it. I think I will keep it. I don't think I will return it, because I like it. I like it a lot. Maybe it's not my favorite from all of the fragrances that I have opened today, but it's on the same level as Beautiful BELLE Flower, elegant, and also creamy. It smells really good on my skin. I can't say this is my favorite right now, but I cannot say this fragrance is no good and that I don't like it, because I do like it. But maybe because I feel the flowers on it there, and it makes me like hesitate a little. But this is a really good fragrance. I'm happy to have this in my collection. I'm really happy. It smells really good on my skin, like yummy, like creamy, like summery. This is a tip, okay? If you wear hats like me, or you like to wear hats in summer, sometimes you don't want to apply too much fragrance on you, but you can spray the fragrance on your hat, and a little bit on your hair, and then put the hat on. It will smell good. It won't smell like sweat later on. And then you can apply your fragrance in the back of your hair and a little bit behind your knees, and maybe a little bit. I don't usually apply fragrances on my wrist because I wash my hands all the time. I'm the kind of person that I'm washing my hands very often. So I apply my fragrance here on the behind my elbow, and that's where I apply it. And also I apply behind my neck, on my hair, a little bit on in between my girls, and then behind my knees. But if I don't want to smell that much, I spray a little bit on my hat, like I show you right now, and behind my hair, and also in behind my elbow. That's it. And if I don't want to feel the fragrance on my face, I only apply the fragrance behind my knees. Behind my knees. That's what I do. That's my tip for you. And also, if you want to overspray with these perfumes like colognes or eau de toilette that are very light, you can apply it also on your belly. Apply on your belly and your legs, and almost on your entire body. And also, when you leave the house, you probably can apply a little bit on your clothes if your clothes are not white, and maybe if the juice is a little bit clear because you don't want to stain your clothes. So those are my tips for applying fragrances. I'm not an expert, but I only tell you my experience. Well, and that's it for this Aerin Hibiscus Palm first impression review and unboxing. I have to tell you, it's a little bit strong, and also it's very, very flowery, or yes, a flowery floral fragrance. It's very floral, and also very summery, fresh, but not that bright fresh, but it's very fresh, sweet, and floral. I don't smell coconut on it, but I feel that this fragrance is creamy, so I think it has some type of creaminess. I'm not sure if it's coconut. It may be coconut, or it may be coconut cream or coconut water, but I feel white flowers creaminess on it, and that's how I can describe it. And if you like floral, like summery or tropical flower, this is a good option for you. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching all my ESTEE Lauder fragrance unboxing and ESTEE Lauder fragrance haul video and first impressions. I hope you enjoy it, and leave me a comment and tell me which one of these ESTEE Lauder fragrances are your favorite, if you have anything to recommend so I can try and review for you. That's it for this series, and that's it for this video. I'm very pleased to have Aerin Hibiscus Palm and to add this fragrance to my collection. See you next time. Bye.